Hello YouTube, this is Technologytoolbox. Today I thought I'd do a video about cold starting techniques for a Kawasaki engine in the winter. We're supposed to get a bit of snow tomorrow, and the tractor hasn't run in about a month, so I want to get it started and make sure it runs properly. The tractor I'm trying to start is a John Deere 240. It has a Kawasaki FC420V engine in it. It's not the greatest to start in the winter, but you also have to take into account that it's over 25 years old. I already checked the oil, and that's good, so I'll go over my technique to cold start this old engine. Right now, it's about 34 degrees, so it shouldn't be as bad of a cold start as I've had before, but it should need a bit of help since it's been sitting for so long. When I cold start, I like to start the engine in increments. I'll crank the engine for 5 to 6 seconds, and then I'll let it sit for 10 to 15 seconds, and I'll keep repeating until I smell gas. When I start to smell gas, I know the engine's flooded, and I'll let it sit for about 5 minutes. Then I'll come back and repeat the process. I know from experimenting with this engine that you have to be very sparing with the choke at first, otherwise you'll just get the engine to backfire. So let's try to start it and see what we can do. I'm starting to smell gas, so I'll let it sit for a few minutes. I'm already smelling that the engine is flooded, so I'm going to let it sit for another 5 minutes. The 240 is being really stubborn today, half of which is because it's been sitting for over a month, and also because it gets so cold here. Today's an exception, it's pretty warm, but usually it's 15 or below. I'll keep trying anyway and see if I can get it to go. Well, right after I said it was being really difficult to start, it started right up on the first try. It did backfire, but it went pretty good after that. Every engine will start differently, especially these older Kawasaki's, just because they're so cold-blooded. But if you can find the right mixture between cranking and choke, you should be able to get it to start pretty consistently every time. So I just wanted to show you my suggestions for cold starting an old Kawasaki engine. Thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, or subscribe, and feel free to check out my channel for other cool videos.